Hello guys, I'm back again. Today we'll be installing some door lock actuator. I'm having symptoms on this vehicle. It's a Toyota 4runner, 2003. Um, this generation of at least that I know of, this generation of 4runner has an auto lock feature, which pretty much is you don't even have to slam the back gate. It'll auto lock itself, auto close it. So once that starts going bad, the motor starts failing, and then sometimes you'll have the same symptom that I have, where it'll not lock completely, and then you'll have a red dash saying one of the doors is open. It's most of the time it would be this, but well, today I got this on the mail. Got it from Amazon, the cheapest one I could find. I'll leave a link in the description. This is not a paid video of this product, but I'm trying to help you guys out and find it cheaper, and hopefully it works good. But that's what we're hoping for cheap. As long as it works, it's fine, you know. Open the door, take off this, and everything else is clipped. First thing you have to do is remove this strap that's bolted onto the door, and go check if there's someone bolt here. So we can use this as a little handle. Push up. Nothing's connected to it, as you can see. So clips are, it's all hold on by clips, and nothing attached to it. Peel this off, and you have to wear gloves because this is really sticky. Unattaching this little cable right here with a 10mm. This little cover right here. 3 bolts outside, so you just gotta remove the little cover, and it's all 10mm. From here. Okay, now you just gotta push it in and push in the grommet along with it and pull it out. Now we could pull this out, or I don't know if this is OEM, but the one I got did come with any grommet, and this one has one. You gotta take off this orange string that it came with, this one. This cable goes on top. Snake this cable in, connect it. Shifting this the wrong way. I'm gonna go right here. Now, bolt it in, crisscross that, flip this back in, sure it's on. So let's go test out our door lock. Take off the negative terminal only. This is the negative. There you go. So we wait for about 3 minutes, been more than 3 minutes. So, there you go. Tighten it. Power on. Lock and unlock your car 3 times. Okay, let's see if it works. There you go. Oh. Okay. Yep. Well guys, thanks for watching, and I hope this video helps you on how to install the liftgate door lock actuator.